to a sinking ship. 50-foot drop into icy waters. But the only distance that really matters is this. Out here, heroes come in waves.
No mistakes. Get everyone home safely.
Coast Guard Alaska, tonight at 9, only on the Weather Channel.
The Weather Channel is brought to you by this cable or satellite provider. You can also get reliable forecasts from the Weather Channel through this radio station or visit weather.com.
Sunset. Fun has just begun. What are people saying about the weather in your neck of the woods? Now you're local on the 8th.
A tornado watch is in effect. Currently in our area, 75 degrees under mostly cloudy skies. Today, partly cloudy with isolated thunderstorms possible near record high temperatures. High 84. Tonight, partly cloudy skies with gusty winds. Low 54. Winds north-northwest at 20 to 30 miles per hour. Thursday, sunny and windy. High 67. Winds north-northeast at 20 to 30 miles per hour. Here's our 7-day outlook. A tornado warning has been issued for our area.
Fun has just begun. What are people saying about the weather in your neck of the woods?
Well, heavy rain, strong winds, and tornadoes continue to march eastward this morning, ahead where severe weather threatens right now.
In the meantime, there's the winter sting. Discover who could be driving in snow by the ride home.
And where weather could keep your holiday flight groundbound. Your first outlook on the weather to watch today and for your Turkey Day travel starts right now. Well, good Wednesday morning. Thanks for joining us here on First Outlook. I'm Eric Fisher on a very busy morning, Scott.
Yeah, that's right. A severe weather morning. I'm Scott Williams. Of course, we continue to track some active severe weather, including tornado warnings for sections of Louisiana as well as Mississippi. We have a tornado watch box in effect for portions of Louisiana, Mississippi, and Alabama until 10 a.m. local time. But these cells have been rotating as well as a history of damage. Northeastern parishes of Louisiana continuing to track a potential rain-wrapped tornado here. Tornado warning, including the cities of Roseland until 4:15 local time. Already some reports of some damage along Interstate 55 around the Louisiana and Mississippi border of an apparent tornado. And then as we move into southern sections of Mississippi, rotating cells, of course, active tornado warnings this morning until about 4:15 local time. The severe weather threat does not end for Louisiana and Mississippi. Of course, we are tracking the threat for severe weather a little farther to the north and east throughout the day. Looking at our exclusive Torcon forecast, Southeast Virginia, North Carolina, watching out for about a 30% chance within a 50-mile radius of tornadic activity. And then North Georgia into sections of South Carolina on a scale of 1 to 10, rather a 3, so about a 30% chance within a 50-mile radius there of potential tornadoes. Eric?
All right, let's get right into it and show you where we're tracking those storms right now. We've got an area of low pressure slowly moving through the southeast today. Ahead of it, very warm, very moist air. We also have tornado watch that's up until 10 o'clock local time. Here's the one report of a tornado just to the south of Kentwood, right along I-55 near exit 57. Trees blown down. The public reporting a tornado on the ground. That's the one confirmed report of one on the ground that we've seen so far this morning. Tornado watch extends from Birmingham southwestward through New Orleans. It's to the east of Jackson and just to the west of Montgomery, but that is the slice that we'll be watching over the next few hours. There you see those tornado warnings outlined in the red boxes. Here across Louisiana, we've got this one storm cell that is moving off to the north and east of Amity City. That tornado warning until 15 minutes past the hour includes the city of Roseland, and again, that is right in the vicinity where we already had
a tornado warning has been issued for our area.
Most concerned about right now, just to the northwest of Columbia. Let's take a high-resolution look at this particular storm. We look for rotation here. So the radar is toward the bottom of your screen. The red is wind going away. The green is air going toward that site. And right in here, just to the northwest of Morgantown, that is where we're seeing a tornado vortex signature, meaning Doppler radar is strongly saying, hey, it looks like we have a tornado on the ground with this particular cell. If you're anywhere near this, you want to be indoors, interior room of the house, away from windows, in a bathroom, and perhaps with some blankets on top of you. Another cell toward Prentice, that warning is until 4:30 local time. And yet another cell here now exiting Taylorsville and heading off to the south side of Bay Springs. So all these cells could spin up tornadoes, a dangerous situation at this early hour across Louisiana and Mississippi. We've also got a heavy rain threat from Little Rock over toward Memphis. Western Tennessee, it is just pouring cats and dogs this morning. Locally heavy rain in and around Atlanta, the North Georgia mountains. This is heading right over Hartsfield, Jackson, so we could be looking at flight delays this morning. And very heavy rain all across Kentucky from Louisville over toward London, Paducah. You're seeing the moderate rainfall. We'll measure the rainfall in inches today there across Kentucky and Tennessee. There's the very warm air. I mean, 74 degrees in Tampa, 75 in New Orleans. Atlanta's at 66. The dew points are way up there, in some cases even into the low 70s. So it's a spring-like setup. This is where we watch the severe weather today from the western Florida Panhandle all the way up toward North Carolina by later on this afternoon as that front slowly marches its way off toward the east. And if you don't see the severe weather, a heavy rain threat today. Scott?
Let's talk about the colder side.